Stem and leaf diagram. In this lesson, we will find the mean of a set of numbers of some data from a stem and leaf diagram. Here we have a stem and leaf diagram, and we have a key which tells us how to interpret the data. And what we want to do is we want to use that information now to find the mean. We know that the mean is basically the sum of the values divided by the number of values, which sometimes is written as a formula, right? And we know the formula is basically x bar equals sigma x over n, right? And that's just there to remind us that x bar is what we use to represent the mean, and sigma x means the sum of the values divided by the number of values. So that's what we do. So how are we going to do that from the stem and leaf plot? Well, we need to just remind ourselves basically that in a stem and leaf plot, every number that is represented here has to be expanded. So here, where we have no tens and 8 units, then the next number here is 110 and 2 units, so that's 12. The next number here after is 110 and 5 units, so 15. And on we go. What I would like you to do is just pause the video here and do that work here, expand all of these numbers out. You can use a calculator, of course, to just calculate them. And then in the end, we're going to divide by the number of values, which in this case, if you count them, you'll see are 30. So pause the video here and have a go at this, and let's see you when you've done that. So we're back now, and we should have really have found that when we added up all of our values, we should have got 1,272, and as I said, there were 30 values, so our mean would have been 1,272 divided by 30. We can use a calculator for that in most instances, and so our mean should have been 42.4. I hope you got that, and if you did, have a go at these questions now, finding the mean from these stem and leaf plots.